Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we cut through the noise and bring you the best gear on the market. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best Ratchet tie-down strap set you can buy right now. The Jack Boss Ratchet tie-down strap set. Whether you're moving appliances, transporting motorcycles or ATVs, or simply strapping down cargo in your truck bed, this heavy-duty set promises reliability, strength, and ease of use. Let's jump right in with the unboxing. Inside the package, you'll find 4 durable metal ratchet buckles, each accompanied by heavy-duty coated S-hooks and 4 extra soft loops. Right away, the build quality stands out. The straps themselves are 1 inch wide and 15 feet long, offering great flexibility in securing both small and large items. And with a brake strength of 1,500 pounds and a working load capacity of 500 pounds, these straps are clearly built to handle serious tasks. Moving on to the materials, the straps are made of strong polyester fibers. They've got a tight weave and solid stitching, which gives them extra durability for repeated use. Jack Boss has also included anti-rust, vinyl-coated S-hooks on both ends. These aren't your average hooks. They're bent for extra security and coated to prevent scratching or damaging your cargo. The rubber coating also provides grip against shifting. But what really sets this set apart is ease of use. The ratcheting mechanism is buttery smooth. The rubberized grip handle gives you plenty of leverage without digging into your hand. You'll also notice the stainless steel spring-loaded release lever. It's lockable and designed to prevent accidental releases, which is something budget straps often lack. You just ratchet until it's tight and then let it do its job. Releasing is equally simple. The handle gives you full control to avoid whipback. And then there are the soft loops. These loops give you flexibility when your anchor points are too wide or oddly shaped for hooks. You simply wrap the loop around the frame or object, thread it through, and then connect your strap to the loop. It's an incredibly useful addition, especially for motorcycle handlebars or delicate cargo that you don't want scratched or bent. Let's talk about real-world usage. Whether you're loading up a trailer, truck bed, or hauling a motorcycle, this strap set holds steady. The nylon webbing doesn't stretch or loosen under tension, even over long distances. And if you're working in rain, snow, or sun, these straps remain reliable, no fraying, rust, or slipping. For a set that's priced right around $20, the value is outstanding. You get 4 high-quality ratchet straps, 8 coated S-hooks, and 4 soft loops. That's a complete tie-down solution in one package. Jack Boss has nailed the balance of performance, safety, and cost. To wrap things up, if you're looking for a rugged, reliable, and easy-to-use ratchet strap set, the Jack Boss Ratchet tie-down straps are a top contender. Whether you're securing an expensive motorcycle or a pile of moving boxes, this set has you covered with confidence. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth gear reviews. Got a product you want us to test next? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, strap in, stay safe, and keep your gear locked down.